Director Chopra, you almost made it. 2 weeks before the close of Congress, you're at your second statutorily required appearance this year. Welcome back. You can look forward to a few more of these invitations next year. We think we'll have you back before the committee a number of times and look forward to you being very willing to change your schedule to adhere to that. So, look, we have a lot to cover today, and I'll start by stating the obvious. The CFPB's lack of transparency is of grave concern. Over the last year, committee Republicans sent more than 10 letters with specific questions we wanted answered, to which you replied with single-page responses. It looked glib and not as thoughtful as a major regulatory agency should take congressional oversight. My encouragement would be for you to actually take those letters more seriously with the new majority next Congress. Because without proper oversight, this system of government doesn't work well. And it's not good for financial institutions, it's not good for market participants, it's not good for consumers who we're trying to protect either. In fact, what we've seen from Director Chopra's leadership, he's only put forward one real rule through the notice and comment process. And that action was directed by Congress under my bill, the Debt Bondage Repair Act. Meanwhile, you've issued 6 compliance bulletins, 5 advisory opinions, 5 interpretive rules, and just this year, 7 circulars. While not legally binding, such clarifications and guidance without time to process the changes foster an environment of uncertainty for the industry. That doesn't make it better for the consumers. Financial institutions and other market participants change their behavior, increasing compliance costs, ultimately limiting consumers' access to affordable products and services and leading to more confusion, not more clarity. You're implementing progressive policies at the expense of both consumers seeking financial products and market participants trying to comply with the law. And you're doing so without fully and transparently considering the consequences of your actions. You've also moved the Office of Innovation to the back burner, which has had almost no activity during your tenure. You did, however, rescind a no-action letter as well as a sandbox approval order. And you gave virtually no notice to those market participants and threw their operations into jeopardy without signaling any willingness to work with them to address the Bureau's concerns. And again, this is no certainty and no transparency along the way. This is all against the backdrop of the Fifth Circuit Court of Appeals ruling that the CFPB's funding mechanism is unconstitutional and vacating the CFPB's payday lending rule as a result. Last month, the U.S. Solicitor General responded by filing a cert petition on behalf of the CFPB asking the Supreme Court to review the Fifth Circuit decision. I think we're all interested in that, the Supreme Court action here. But the real problem here, and what we've been saying from the moment of your agency's inception, is this. Why wouldn't the next director with a politically different persuasion not abuse his or her powers with the precedent you've set? The political pendulum does not stop swinging. Next month, there'll be a new majority in the House of Representatives. We look forward to more oversight, and I hope you'll wish you'd tried harder. Well, I know you'll wish you'd tried harder to play by the rules, and we hope you'll change your behavior going forward.